All right, so on this video, we are going to look into how we can add add video captions. How we can add video captions, right? What do we mean by video captions? These are like write up uh that more of speak of what you are communicating, right? In a way, you are adding a caption to it, the written version of what you're saying. So as you are saying it, it is displaying for somebody who may not really get your intonation. The person can equally pick the words and follow up with the video. Or maybe people may not really get understand your video, your language, right? They don't understand your language. You can use English. So you can write captions and add them to your video. So while you are playing it, the captions are written under it or on the video so that they can know what you are communicating. So how do you do that? To do that, you just have to uh, on this home page, just click on text, right? On the home page, click on text. Once you click on text, you can see add text. So you can either add text yourself manually or you can use auto captions, right? On these auto captions, the the AI is going to pick the video and come out with all the English words that it could understand. Anything, any sound that comes out from your mouth, the video is going to the AI is going to pick it and they will give you to review. After reviewing, you can add it to it. So there are different versions, right? There are different versions, and if the voice is from the video, you can pick it and use video. If it is from the voice over alone, you can just pick the voice over. So in a situation whereby you do a voice over a particular video, you can just pick the voice over and use the voice over, and that's what you are going to pick and create caption on. So the next thing is I'll just select either the format I want to use, or I can ignore it now. I can use this quick brown. I can use this quick brown or this the quick brown box. I just select the quick brown box, then I'll click on generate. So the moment I click on generate, it will start loading, to start generating. So if your video is long, it's going to take time actually. But if your video is not long, it will take just some seconds or minutes and it will auto generate everything. So after auto generating, that's when you are going to review it and proceed. Now, if I play this now, you're going to see what will happen.
Show up so that people get to know you, right? I hope you find this
Can you
very.
see? So now I can further try to edit it, right? To edit it, I'll just double tap on it, or I'll just click on it and click on this edit captions. Can you see? So these are the captions that we auto generated. I can select anyone I want to edit and edit it. If the words they are not correct, I can just rewrite them. But then if I want to edit it more in terms of color, animation, and so on, I can just double tap it. If I double tap it, it's going to be edited. And you can see these are different templates I can select. Look at this quick brown. I can select this and it's going to what? If I play it now, you see what will happen.
Show up
Look
so
at what's
that people
happening.
get to know you, right?
Or I can use the quick burst tool. Look at the quick burst tool.
Show up so that people get to know
Can you
you,
see?
right?
You must have seen this on videos. This is what they do. So I can increase it and take it to where it will be visible. Take it to where it will be visible, then play it.
Show up so that
Can you
people.
see? Look at what just happened. Now I can still do more something more, either by reducing the size, or I'll just double tap it, then double tap it, go into the main content. What's happening? Okay, I'll double tap it, go into this. On this show up, I'll click on show up, then click on enter, bring it down, that people show up so that people get to know you, right? Now look at what I just did. If I click on this now and I click on this button to mark it, let's play it.
Show up so that people get to know you.
Now it's not working. It's not working because it's still on the same. I can decide to split. Like this show, I can listen to the voice note and split them. After splitting, I can edit it to have one pair, or I can equally just reduce the size so that it displays well or displays better. Let's play it.
Show up so that people get
Can you
to.
see? Let me and click, I think, show up, so that, okay, let's go back now and see.
Show
Can you see
up so
what I
that
mean?
people get
So
to
this
know
one,
you.
you can increase it. Can increase it.
Show up so that people get to know you, right? I hope you
Can
find
you
this
see what
very
is happening
interesting.
now? After editing the first part, you can see it's not applicable to the second part because I only edited the first part. Now I can decide to what, do apply everything to the rest. So I will double tap it, and after double tapping it, the moment I click on what I want to edit, I was thinking they're supposed to be applied to all. Wow, I'm not seeing it here. Okay, it's there. It's there. Apply to all. You can see apply to all is here. Apply to all auto caption. So the effect or the font, everything I'll be doing right now will be applied. Both the captions, everything, the color is going to be applied to the main color. So I can change font, I can add styles like color. You can see you can explore them, change color, brand color, stroke, glow. You can want your image, your write up to glow, or you can add a background to the write up. You can see this is a background. You can see the background. I can change the background color from what's displaying, depending on what on the particular depending on the particular template I'm using. That's what determine this. So you can see these are different ones here. Look at this one. Look at this one. Right? Animation. You can add some animation to the right up. Right? You can look at this. I can decide to
Show
look at
up
this,
so that
but it's
people
going to
show
disrupt.
up so
It's
that
going to
people get to
disrupt
know you.
that.
Show up
It's
so
going to
that people
disrupt
get to know you,
that particular
right?
what's it called? It's going to disrupt that particular template we picked. So it will not really make sense. It's not really make sense. So we go back, we go back, go back. This is it. We are back.
Show up so
Can you
that
see?
people get to know you, right? I hope you find this very interesting.
Now I can decide to this right up. Now I can decide to just uh still on double tap, go to this font, right? Styles, and what animation, overall animation or caption. I can add how the caption will be written or how it will be displaying. The
I
moment I
hope you
play,
find this very interesting, right? I hope you
it's still loading. So you just give it time to load and you add it. So there's loop.
I
There's loop.
hope you find
And still on that, you can remove filtered words. Then you can add speech to like you can convert text to speech and to make sense. You can remove, you can duplicate, you can delete, and you can do a whole lot. So all you need to just explore more on this so that you can understand how this works, so that you don't just know that it works, but you know how to do it. At the end of the day, you'll be able to maximize this. So with that being said, I guess we are done with this. The next part is going to be video case study. How to create a. We are going to practically work on a faceless video. We are going to work on a video how to add watermark and captions, just like we did on this one now. We are going to also see how we can edit a particular video with all of these things that we've added. Then we are going to see how an explainer video is done. Right? That's what we are going to practice on the next video. Hi.